Change is part of nature.
Change is fun.
Bringing a small change in any space can bring a big difference.
And it gives it a new vibe.
Myself, Kathy.
Myself, Prisha.
And today we have brought for you makeover of our master bedroom.
So let's get started.
So this is how the room looks before makeover. The accent wall is already painted in Turkish blue, which I painted like few months back. I began with decluttering the room and giving a fresh coat of white paint on other walls except the accent wall.
While I was planning the makeover, I realized the furniture in the room is dark in color, which I cannot change. The bed in the room is very huge, which I cannot change, and the Turkish blue color on the accent wall, which is already there and now I cannot change. All the furniture and this wall together were making the room look even more smaller. But I could not change any of this. Why I don't want to get rid of this Turkish blue? Because one, I hand painted it and it took a lot of effort. Secondly, it's one of our favorite colors. Get rid of it, but I wanted to do something on the accent wall which will make it look lighter. And since all the other walls are white in color, so if this wall the impact of the wall becomes a little lighter, I felt that it will make the room look a little bigger. Whatever I was planning, I didn't want to get rid of the color. I wanted it to reflect in some way. So let's see what I did for the wall to make it look bigger and still retaining the Turkish blue color.